Introduction to JavaScript. JavaScript is a high-level, interpreted programming language. It is a cornerstone technology of the World Wide Web, used to implement complex features on web pages. Understanding JavaScript runs in the user's web browser, making web pages more responsive and interactive. Event-driven, responding to user actions like clicks, mouse movements, keyboard input, can manipulate HTML elements, allowing dynamic change in content, style, and structure. Variables in JavaScript. Variables are containers for storing data values. Use var, let, or const to declare a variable. Use var or let for variables that will change, and const for variables that won't change. Data types in JavaScript. JavaScript has dynamic types: number, string, Boolean, object, null. Be careful with dynamic typing. It can lead to unexpected results. Operators in JavaScript. JavaScript has arithmetic, assignment, comparison, and logical operators. Use equals scopix for comparison instead of equals to avoid type coercion. Control structures in JavaScript. Control structures include if-else statements, switch statements, and loops. Avoid equals conditions, use exec instead. Functions in JavaScript. Functions are blocks of code designed to perform a particular task. Avoid creating functions inside loops. It can lead to memory leaks and performance issues. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. Always declare your variables before using them. Be aware of type coercion in JavaScript. Understand the difference between global and local scope. Conclusion: mastering JavaScript takes time and practice. Consistent coding, understanding concepts, and learning from mistakes are key. Remember, even experienced developers make mistakes and constantly learn new things.